Hi, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 7 and I'm gonna show you how to edit the home screen layout on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, you can tap on the screen or press the crown button. After you wake up the screen, let's open the home screen layout, and to do it, press the crown button right here. And as you can see, here we have the list of apps. That's basically a home screen. And we can customize this menu. To do it, press and hold on one of the icons. And here we have a couple of options. First, we can change the view options. We have grid view, that's the one right here, grid view. And we have also list view. If you select list view, the menu will change to list basically. Okay. If you select grid view, you can also tap on edit apps, and here you can do a couple of things. You can remove the apps by tapping on the X button right here. You can also move the apps on the list. So for example, I want to move this to the top like that, and this to the bottom, for example, like this. And once you're done setting up your layout, you can press the crown button to exit the editing mode. You can also edit the apps for list view, I believe. So let's tap on edit apps, and here again we can remove the apps by tapping on X button, and we can also I don't think we can move them, can we? No, we can't move them. So you can only remove the apps by tapping on X button, but you can't move them around. Okay. You can also customize the menu via the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. On our iPhone, let's tap on watch to open the watch app. In the app, let's select the app view. No, my bad. App view. And here we have the types of menu. We can select grid or list. Let's select grid. And as you can see, it should change now to grid. And it did. And also in the app, we can tap on arrangement for the grid view. And here we can again customize it by pressing and holding on the app and drag it to the place you want it to be in, like this. And once you're done, simply go back. And that's how you customize the home screen layout on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.